What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing? Hope y'all good. Hope y'all having a positive day. I wanted to talk about grounding in nature. Grounding in Mother Nature. Yes. You know, it's good. You know, I feel like it definitely heals you on a spiritual level. You know, it grounds us. You know, it helps us stay connected, you know, to Mother Earth. And, you know, also like gives us downloads, information. You know, when we do meditate, we get downloads, you know, light codes, you know, about our past lives, visions, what's coming next. You know, it helps you stay connected to the universe. You know, helps us with anxiety. And I started noticing that, you know, on my spiritual journey. And it's definitely like, you feel a whole lot better. You know, especially if you're going through it, you know, come outside in nature. Disattach from everything, you know, turn your phone off. Just meditate, you know. Meditate under a tree and just relax. You know. It definitely helps you. You know. It definitely helps you. And I've been doing this for a while now, so, you know, I'm never, you know, helps you. You know, helps you stay happy too, like, you know, just get that natural joy within, you know, feel good, you know, you start to really feel good, you know, naturally on the inside, you know, you really don't need too much. Or not. Yeah, definitely get the sun too. Go outside and sun gaze. Sun gaze definitely, you know, so many benefits from it. I'm gonna do another video on that. Oh. Big bug coming up on me. But yeah, definitely, you know, whenever you have the time, you know, go outside in nature, just connect, you know, connect with yourself. You know, it really is helpful. You know, I think the universe for me just finding out all about this stuff, you know. Yeah. You know, it's just peaceful. Yeah, I just want to make that quick video. And you ever stressed out or going through it, you know, a lot on your mind, you know, take the time, go to a park, you know, go somewhere where it has nature and just relax, meditate, and become one with them, you know, become one with Mother Nature, become one with the universe. Yeah, I'll get with y'all on the next.